And welcome back to ENG Engine. Let us learn a few quotes on education and understand the importance of education in this video. Let's get in. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. A turtle makes progress when it sticks its neck out. If you always do what you have always done, you'll always get what you have always got. Learning is never done without errors and defeat. Success comes in cans, failure comes in can'ts. The important thing in life is not the triumph, but the struggle. We learn more quickly by doing something or seeing something done. Teachers open the door, but you must enter by yourself. The only dream impossible to reach are the ones you never pursue. You haven't failed until you stop trying. Well, that's it. Hope you have understood the importance of education. If you find this video useful, give a thumbs up and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.